What's up guys, I'm Sato with HANGRY and welcome back to another episode of 30-Second Thursday. Today we're talking about pickle juice. So, if you're like me and you just finished your last pickle, what are you going to do next? You might be thinking to yourself, time to throw out this pickle juice, am I right? Stop right there. Don't do it. Instead, why don't you use this pickle juice as a brine? Pickle juice? Yup. Today I'm going to use it on pork chops, but it also goes well on chicken, especially fried chicken. Instead of making a brine from scratch, all the salt and spices are already built right into the pickle juice. We're gonna let that sit for at least 3 hours or overnight. Then we're gonna drain it off, pat it dry, and fry it up. I'm Sato, and that's been 30-Second Thursdays. Pickle brine. Bye! Pickle juice! Uh-huh. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe.